Alright, Rail Fanning Adventures, CP Rochester, Rochester, PA, on the Fort Wayne line. I think we have 15M heading west on 101, which is a yard track. He's got a approach limited right now. 1035 is your leader. Who is it?
It's not more power.
You got him. Got him. Not 15M. It is 15M. This is 15M westbound. Hey, those are untreated railroad ties.
Yeah. They're all over the place. If you go down to Edgeworth,
Yeah.
they're all over our tracks down there. Like they're getting ready to do a huge thing.
Yeah, they still got them treated. The trees all out.
No, they're literally sitting next to the tracks on the tree.
Wow.
There you go.
Soybean
South
processing.
Dakota soybean processing. SDPX.
This should have some ready to order on it. That's cool. That's brand new.
Yeah.
That's another brandy newie.
New word.
New word, yeah. That first one's brand new though. MOCA.
Illinois
I see.
Central.
Illinois Central I-beam. I see. The tank car people. BRCX.
BMSX, that's way out there in BNSF territory.
Yeah.
Look at that, BMSX 300,000 on the nose. Here you go, here's the toilet.
Ah, Conrail. I need some of them to know.
Yeah.
Norfolk and Western, Southern. Another old Southern. Gary Railways, top and bottom. I want to get one of these too. A couple of them. BNS quote covers. DWC. WC. Ah! B-Coal. B-Coal.
And it was Wisconsin Central in front of it. Awesome.
Who's GRW? Gary Railways.
Gary Railways.
I wonder why he's got the limited, he had a limited approach.
He's gonna stop it right for something. Oh, look at this.
Wow, a CN gondola. You don't see too many of them.
Not out here. Nope.
ICG?
That's that Illinois Central Gulf. That's the ICG. Joe really can't run like that. There you go.
CN box. SH, I never, what is that, rail?
Yeah, that's real.
What's SH? You ever seen that before?
I've seen it. I never thought of what it was.
Corn products, I have one of them and O. Potash. I need to find these two and O. I like their grit. Did you see their new blue ones?
Yeah, the Canadian.
Yeah.
So it is Stilton and High Spire Railroad. There's a couple of them that come out here. Ooh, look at this.
Look at that, an old Southern right there. Old Southern, CN.
Roach. Wisconsin Central.
NS box. Canadian National.
Yep.
Some cool graffiti on there.
Clock from frickin'
Yeah.
Simpsons.
There's RBMN.
There you go. Oh, that's the black one.
Yup. I like that Andy's having that painted now.
I like
He's
it.
starting to paint his cars. Yeah.
Great.
That's Nate and Tyler.
Yeah.
Kate and Lyle, that's from Mooresville, PA. That's the factory, Kate and Lyle.
Yeah.
That's where the street runner I get from time to time, Conrail Shared Assets.
Yeah.
I showed you that, where they run underneath the Northeast Corridor. Yep. That's at the end of that line is Kate and Lyle.
Here comes closer.
Oh, we got a CSX top. Wait, NS bottom.
That's actually rare.
Oh, Conrail, top and bottom.
That CSX scheme, that's
Yeah.
rare. It's a good catch.
Another good Conrail, bottom and top.
That's actually in good condition. Usually they're all beat up.
Spray paint coated and all kinds.
Here's a better one. Look at that.
That's actually a pretty clean one too.
Yep.
There's a cool top, another CSX top and NS bottom.
A-OK. That's a clean NS.
That's an A-OK top and bottom. It actually says A-OK on the front. Like where it said NS there,
Yeah.
it said A-OK on the front. There's another good Conrail coming. A top and bottom, another top and bottom. Oh, we got a bunch of them.
Well, that's
That's three in a row. That's really clean. That one's even better.
Yeah.
Another good CSX top on the A-OK bottom. A-OK top and bottom.
That's clean too.
Those are probably the cleanest Conrail ones.
Yeah, you don't see it.
They're tagged up
You
usually.
might have got an upgraded stimulus picking up. Here he goes.
I can't believe we caught that 75 again.
Right?
Procore.
Comes in oil.
Another Conrail. I have these nose scales.
One product. Man,
I want to get a Tate and Lyle,
You
man.
gotta get those stickers, the safety reflectors.
They're on bottom.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. They actually reflect too. It's weird.
KBSR, WCX, going out west.
Railgun.
MQT, that's Canadian. You guys from Montreal, Quebec, something.
Bay line. Another bay line. Two fallen flags.
There's the tankers. I pre-ordered these.
The white and black.
Yep.
I've got the flash plates on it too. We have some PD activity.
Holy crap, he's still coming.
We have a lot. Might get broken. They keep running around with the lights on. What is that?
LRS.
1005, that's oxygen. 1791, that's acid. Southern.
Here you go.
What? Boston and Maine. Holy moly.
There you go.
I got him,
You
hopefully.
got it.
I got a feeling there's going to be something
That was
else.
rock and roll. He's still coming.
BNSF. Procore.
Yeah, he definitely got it. Michael.
15M westbound 101 here at CP Rochester on the Fort Wayne line, Rail Fanning Adventures. Adventure CP Rochester, Rochester, Pennsylvania on the Fort Wayne line. This is 21T westbound on Main 2. 21T westbound Main 2. And then there were two, me and Brett, aka Doc. We should have another one working its way out too on 101. Again, this is 21T westbound, Main 2, on the Fort Wayne line. Something coming out behind him.
Yeah, it's, whatever this is.
Oh yeah, just put it down and back up. Rail Fanning Adventures, we got an eastbound on Main 1. Train on Main 1 on the Fort Wayne line here at CP Rochester. And we have the signal lit on 102 for a westbound. So this is the eastbound. You know who's right? Doc's looking it up right now. Again, this is the eastbound stacker on Main 1 here at CP Rochester on the Fort Wayne line. This is 294 heading east. We got a westbound coming on 102. Westbound's coming on 102. Oh, it's standard. You know how they roll out. We'll have one tonight with that far. Yeah. You know where we start?
I couldn't see anything. It was just,
Yeah.
oh, I saw the number boards and they all look like this is probably 21 feet.
21T? Yeah. All right, we're gonna hold here because here comes 21T. 21T. But actually 40E.
Yeah, that was what came in.
Yeah.
So whatever it is, going back.
21T, Conrail bottom.
Nope, this ain't 21T. It's a manifest.
Not 21T. Sorry, not 21T.
I thought it was because there's a manifest.
Local? Might be a local. Sure.
Yeah, he's